is Hilary Demain. I'm the Baking and Pastry Program Coordinator. I'm a certified executive pastry chef, a certified culinary educator, and I've been here at IUP's Academy of Culinary Arts for 30 years. This is my 30th year. I come from a very interesting industry background. I graduated from the Culinary Institute of America in 1977. I have had the great fortune to be able to work on many cruise ships as well as some five-star resorts and hotels. I was the first American woman to ever work as a pastry chef for Holland America Cruises, the first American woman to ever work as an executive pastry chef for what were at that point the Disney Cruise Line. So I've been very blessed to be able to work all over the world and travel all over the world with my industry experience. My competition background is pretty extensive. I've done a lot of competing with American Culinary Federation competitions. And again, I've been very fortunate to have received bronze, silver, and gold medals for my baking and pastry arts competitions. When I came to IUP, there was no baking and pastry arts program. I had left another school where I was the department chair of the baking and pastry arts program. I did want to start that here, and we've been able to do it for the last 15 years. And I couldn't do it all myself. The other half of the baking program is my colleague and my very dear friend, Chef Anthony Battaglia, who has lots of experience, not only in teaching, but in also the industry. Classes that are covered in our Baking and Pastry Arts program, we do everything from artisan bread, gingerbread houses, wedding cakes, pulled and blown sugar, chocolate sculpting, confections like peanut brittle, fudge, cakes, plated desserts, ice cream, sorbets, lots and lots of things. And if there was a food I couldn't live without, I would have to say simply it was salt. I feel very bad for people who are on a salt-free diet. And after that, it would be bread. That would be something. I think the thing that I'm most passionate about is the teaching. I've been teaching for a long time, not only here, but in another school. And my connection with the students is, I don't want to say personal in we go out and have a party together, but personal in that we become invested in their education and we really want them to be successful. Least favorite food? I don't really have a least favorite food. I'm not a big fan of grains. I've had them, they're okay. They're not bad, I'm glad to try them, but they wouldn't be on the top of my list. Just to close, I'd like to thank everybody for their time and interest in IUP. I hope that you can do a personal tour. That would be fantastic. You can always contact admissions, and if you have questions for me, they can send on to my email, and I'll do my best to answer them.